I'm going to use my oldie but goodie, my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to clean up my brow. I think this might be a hair, makeup, and outfit video. I would say nail too, but I don't think I'm going to have time to film my nails because I'm just going to do a quick white press on set. The Jumbo Cactus Water Moisturizer, which if you watch my haul video, you already know I like using this as a makeup base. Ugh. It just feels so moisturizing. And a little bit goes a very, 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 very long way. But I really love this moisturizer. It kind of reminds me of the MAC Mineralized Charged Water Gel. So I'm going to take soft brown and put that in a crease. Next, I'm going to go into the Saharan palette and grab this really rich orange tone brown. Oh, this is like an orange. So I'm going to mix it with the brown that's also in the palette on this side. And we're back. So I want to do my nails because it was bothering me. I'm gonna go back into soft brown and blend out the edges. Like so, like that. I guess I could have used a lighter concealer shade, but it's all good. It's all good. For my lid, I think I'm gonna keep it matte for right now. I'm gonna use this light peachy pink from the Stila Mind palette. Now, to find a clean brush. Oh, here we go. Well, this actually looks like a good blending brush. I'm gonna pat that on the lid. And really, I'm just doing this to set the concealer because the concealer gave me like the look that I wanted for my lid color. Now that brow bone needs a little help, but the lid, it was good to go. Not to mention the fact that my eyeliner is going to cover most of this. I went to Ulta and grabbed some more eyeliner because I was all out. So I'm either going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black or the NYX Matte Black. I think I'm going to use the Wet n Wild one for the lid space and then, sorry guys, and then switch to the NYX one for my outer wing. Just so that's a little bit more precise. If I can get this shit open because I did the Lazy Girl hack from Fenty Beauty on these press-ons and I don't need them popping off quite yet. Not yet. Not quite yet. All right, I'm gonna have to get a little close and personal for this one. I am gonna do a little in my inner corner, but I'm gonna wait to put on my foundation. I'm just mapping out where I want it. It's really not even like me down in my winging abilities. It's the fact that it's probably not going to be even. And like, I'm not going to speak that into existence because we're going to have even, crispy, sharp ass liners today. But just knowing like my track record, it's decent. Once I clean it up and sharpen her, she'll be alright. I have faith. Y'all, I think we got one. Yay. So So before I clean this up, I'm just gonna put a little bit of my Milk Hydro Layer Primer on. I think I wanna go with the matte foundation today. To clean this up, I'm just gonna go into my concealer on a brush that has some of the Be Perfect Cosmetics base on it. And we gonna sharpen this bitch. For foundation, I'm gonna mix the Juvia's Place Magic Foundations in the shade Malawi and Gabon. So I'm going to go into my Dynamic Duo. This is my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealers. I'm going to mix caramel and butterscotch. To contour, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation Stick in Cool Chestnut. I'm gonna do a quick set with this Hard Candy Blurring and Pore Perfecting powder. Oh, I like this. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Coconut. Now I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows with this Benefit, which one is this? Goose Proof Brow Pencil. And now that my foundation and stuff is on, I can go ahead and finish my lower lash line. I know that I want a little bit of like a smoky brown on the lower lash line. So I'm gonna take this smudger brush and I'm gonna go into just the brown shade from the Saharan palette and use that to smoke out my lower lash line. And I wanted these warm tones, even though the focus was the eyeliner and the jewels I'm gonna put on, just to bring in that warmth since I am going for a red lip. I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX Suede pencil in the shade Alabama. And then fill in with Ruby Woo from MAC. I'm gonna take a really small detailing brush and use Carnivorous Liquid Matte from MAC just to deepen up the red. If you don't have Carnivorous, you can easily use Drop Dead Red from Too Faced, but I was already using MAC products, so. Ta-da! I'm gonna dust off this powder real quick. Okay, I'm gonna use this shade from the Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love. Okay, boom. going to spray my face for dear life because we are dry. To highlight, I'm going to use Heat Wave by Estee Lauder. Okay, we're giving a little something. We're giving the girls a little something. Wait till I do this hair though, y'all gonna gag. Y'all gonna be like, oh bitch, that's a look. I'm like, I think I know. My hair is all flat ironed, so now I'm going to start sectioning off the pieces that I want. So I want to make sure this line is crispy. Make sure this part is crispy. I can't find my Nairobi foam, so I'm just going to use this elastic QP. Rub it in. That's going to help with the flyaways instead of using wax. I already have a lot of product in my hair, so I didn't really want to use anything wax-based because that would just be tragic. But as you can see, it got those flyaways together. I just turned on my hot comb, so it's going to take a little minute to get hot. But we don't act like we're doing something. I'm going to act like I'm doing something. Guys, this is the last day I'm going to be wearing this wig. I'm just going to use some Gorilla Snot. And do these real quick. So I've already separated my pigtails. Why did I do that? It always seems like one is always thicker than the other. I'm gonna add a little bit more hair to this side. Now, I'm gonna have to like finagle this a little bit. So I'm gonna get it in like the basic shape that I want and then pin it to do the rest. So I'm gonna have to tease this a bit. A lot of it. Now let's hope I can get my outfit over this. I didn't think about that. But she's cute. I like how it came out. Okay, so that's the hair. I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and we'll be back. That is it for this look. If you enjoyed, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay sane and stay safe in these crazy times. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.